And they're up just right. Looking for the lead, Quantum Lady on Minstrel, moving up on the outside, Graciosa California, then followed by Sprint Bird, also Discreet, while Blue Rose is running in the tail of the field. Out straight they travel, Minstrel leads by line, followed now by Quantum Lady, Graciosa on the outside, just right, and a line coming up now to Sprint Bird. And into the back they travel, Minstrel leads by some 3 lines, followed by Graciosa, Quantum Lady. Here comes Sprint Bird, just right, long way back now. 23 number 6, Discreet, moving up by Royal Blue Rose. While California now running in the tail of the field inside the last 600. Minstrel moving up on the outside is Quantum Lady. Quantum Lady takes up the running by a neck. It's Quantum Lady leads by like now, followed by Minstrel. Running in third, Sprint Bird just right, and then followed by Graciosa, also Discreet. Blue Rose, while entry number 7, California, is running in the tail of the field as they hit the final turn with Quantum Lady. Kicks clear by some 4 lengths, followed by Minstrel. Around the outside now is Sprint Bird. And finally, Quantum Lady. And finally, Quantum Lady, Minstrel, Sprint Bird just right, and also Discreet.
Meron pala tayong change rider dito.
Tumatakbo na nung naibigay sa atin. Ano ba yun?
Thank you very much, Commissioner Bobok Domingo and the rest of the panel there. At Bayang Karirisa, kung nandito ho kayo ngayon sa San Lazaro Leisure Park, palakas na ang hangin at palamig na ng palamig, parang hindi summer, di ba? Giniginaw na siya, Boss Ding. Alright, Bayang Karirisa, ito po ang awarding presentation ng Councilor Ferdy Eusebio Cup. Si Councilor Ferdy Eusebio ka po ay past president ng Manila Horsepower Organization, and sa sinawing palad po wala po siya dito ngayon. He's abroad and it's on official business, but he is ably represented by Councilor Romy Medina, Councilor Arnold Magpantay, and Mr. Ferdy Rojas, kaibigan ng Manila Horsepower yan. Alright. At nandito sila para sa ating presentation of the trophy para sa winning horse owner, and that is none other than former Commissioner, PhilROCAM Commissioner June Sevilla, to be represented by... Sino po ang magre-represent sa owner natin? Pochek Vicente, ang trainer ng kabayong Quantum Lady. Pare kasing lamig ng panahon ang panalo ng kabayo mo. Tama ba? Tuwa si Pochik. Ano ko nasabihin ni Pochik? Chamba. Hindi ba?
Chamba lang.
Sabi ko na. Alright. Ayan po si trainer Pochik. To receive the trophy from the representatives of Councilor Ferdy Eusebio. By the way, he is also the former licensing and permits Department of the City of Makati. At eto na naman, mamimigay na naman tayo ng isang mountain bike. Boss Pochik, dito ka muna. Huwag ka muna alis. Dito ka lang. At Pochik, sino ba Sota. Teka, hindi ko... Nakalimutan ang pangalan. Halika dito. Bago lang kasi siguro sa kwadra ni Commissioner June Sevilla. Anong pangalan mo?
Kevin po.
Kevin, hawakan mo nga. Tinan mo, sumakay ka dyan sa bisikleta. Ayan. Anong gagawin mo dyan sa bisikleta? Wala daw. Huwag mo ibebenta. Gamitin mo sa trabaho yan. Alright. Ayan. Kakamayan mo yan mga ladies natin. Si Rochelle and Dane. Magmano ka daw sa mga ate mo. Ayan. Alright. Maraming salamat po sa ating representative ni Councilor Ferdy Eusebio. Again, Councilor Romy Medina, Arnold Magpantay, and Mr. Ferdy, horse owner po yan, Mr. Ferdy Rojas. And congratulations to Pochik Vicente and to the rest of the connections of Commissioner June Sevilla. At may sasabihin po sa atin, magbibigay po ng konting salita si Councilor Arnold Magpantay in behalf of Councilor Ferdy Eusebio.
Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Magandang gabi po sa bayan ng karerista. Sa pangalan po ni Councilor Ferdy Eusebio, kami po ay lubos nagpapasalamat unang-una ho sa ating Vice President Jojo Binay na lagi nakasuporta sa amin, si Mayor Binay, Siyempre po ang PhilRacom, ang Manila Horsepower. Maraming salamat po at magandang gabi muli.
At isang magandang gabi rin sa iyo, Councilor Arnold Bagpantay. And up next, the AKH Construction Jockey Cup kung saan may additional 10,000 pesos po sa mananalong jockey just sa race number 8, and that will be up next.